experience.
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Hawkesbury is a charming town located in eastern Ontario, right along the border with Quebec. It sits on the banks of the Ottawa River, giving it some beautiful waterfront views and a peaceful vibe. The river has played a big role in the town's history and continues to be a key part of life here. This town has a unique location, halfway between Ottawa and Montreal, making it a convenient stop for travelers exploring eastern Ontario and western Quebec. Hawkesbury has a rich history dating back to the late 18th century. It was originally a mill town, with lumber and paper industry shaping its early development. Over time, it has grown into a modern community while keeping its small-town charm. One of the highlights of Hawkesbury is Confederation Park, located along the river. It's a great spot for walking, picnicking, and enjoying the view of the Long Sault Bridge, which connects Ontario to Quebec. The park is also a favorite place for fishing and relaxing by the water. For outdoor enthusiasts, there are plenty of activities to enjoy. The Ottawa River is perfect for boating, kayaking, and even ice fishing in the winter. Nearby trails are ideal for hiking and cycling, offering beautiful views of the surrounding countryside. Hawkesbury is a bilingual town where both English and French are spoken. This gives the town a welcoming, multicultural feel. You'll find a mix of cultures here, reflected in the local food, events, and friendly atmosphere. Hawkesbury's location and charm make it a wonderful place to visit or live. It's close to nature, rich in history, and filled with friendly people. If you're ever traveling between Ottawa and Montreal, it's worth taking a detour to explore this lovely town.